This is the SS5 specialty bag going into this 46 Cadillac. It's going in without any modifications to the frame. So I made this bracket for the top. Just bolts on. Pretty much bolt it in and you're done. There's a bottom bracket for the bottom arm. So we'll try to put it in here. Come on, record. There. That pocket if you can. Yeah. Don't get dirty. Oh, shit. Pretty much just goes in just like that, like it did. Let's come up here to the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt it in. Can you give me those nuts?
Yeah.
Pretty much just bolt it up. Pretty much in. There we go. Just pretty much in, just like that. I'm gonna put the bottom bracket. Pretty much goes just like that. Arm's gonna come up like that. And we're gonna bolt everything in place. That should take care of the airbag. I'll give you a after shot once I'm done. Yeah, we'll see. I got this other side done actually. That's what it looks like.